This is Dr. Possibility from Excel Academy. Kindly make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure that you register with Excel Academy. In this tutorial, I'm just going to do my part 12 of system histology. Let's quickly look at some few slides. The first slide, we have been asked to name the slide. So if you look at this slide, this is just the Gastroduodenal Junction, which is just the junction between the esophagus and the stomach. Then label the parts shown by the red arrow. Those are just gastric glands on the part of the stomach. Let's quickly move on and look at the next slide. Name the slide. So if you look at the slide, this is the same slide as the one I just projected, which is just the Gastroduodenal Junction, which is a junction between the stomach and the esophagus. Label the part shown by the red arrow. So the part shown by the red arrow is just the lymphatic node. Let's quickly move on and look at the next question. Name the slide. So if you look at this slide, this is just the esophagus. Label the part shown by the red arrow. So the part which is shown by the red arrow are just the mucus glands, which are the esophageal glands. Let's quickly look at the next slide. Name the slide. So if you look at the slide, this is just the junction between the duodenum and the stomach, and this junction is known as the Gastroduodenal Junction. Label the part shown by the red arrow. So the part shown by the red arrow are just the Brunner's glands. Let's quickly move on and look at the next question. Name the slide. So if you look at this slide is also a junction, and this junction is just the Gastroduodenal Junction. And then the next question is label the parts marked with letters. So the part marked with letters, the first one is just the gastric mucosa, and then we have the gastric pits on the side of the stomach, and then we have the lymphoid nodes, and then lastly we have the duodenum, which is part of the small intestine. Alright, let's quickly move on and look at this slide. Name the slide. So if you look at this slide, it is also a junction between the anal region and the rectum. So this junction is just known as the anal rectal junction. Label the part shown by the red arrow. So these are just intestinal glands. So guys, thank you very much for joining me. Please make sure that you subscribe to our YouTube channel and make sure that you register with Excel Academy.